Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new patterns that are on the latest Dress to Impress update. So let me just select the item that I'm wearing right now and let's go to patterns. As you can see, there are a lot and you can even favorite and unfavorite them. I've done a tutorial on that. It's pretty simple. So we have this pattern, this one, these scales, kind of. This like mummy one, I like this one the best so far. We have this kind of like lizard tone. This red one, we have pink ones, and we have this like cute ones here. We have these ones which are so perfect for clown outfits. We have this one with like eyes. These are perfect for Halloween. These one has like scratches on them. I'm just gonna go through them all. There's this one which again is perfect for clown outfits. I love this one. This one's new. Everything here is new up to this. So these are all of the new patterns that you can apply to your outfits on Dress to Impress. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.